Hello my fellow sketchers, in this video we are going to learn how to make a simple program in which crab chases the boy named Taylor. So first, let's run our program. As you can see guys, the crab chases the boy. And when the crab touches the boy, it says ouch and then the whole program stops. Now let's start building this simple and easy program. So first, we will name our project Taylor and Crab. Now let's delete this cat. Now I will choose a sprite from the sketches library named Taylor. Now its size is too big. So drag and one green flag lit block into the scripting area. Now go to looks category and drag one set size to block here and set the value to 50. So it will reduce its size to 50%. As you can see guys, when I click the green flag, it reduces its size. Now go to the control category and drag a forever loop here. So anything inside it will repeat forever. Now drag an if then block here. Now go to the operators category and drag a not block inside the if then. Now go to the sensing category and drag the touching block here and select the option to mouse pointer. Now go to the motion category and drag the point towards block inside the if then and select the option mouse pointer. Now I want that when I click the mouse button, it will move 5 steps forward. So drag and move steps block inside the if then. Now go to the operators category and drag and multiplication block inside the move steps block and set the value here to 5. Now go to the sensing category and drag the mouse down block here. Now I have dragged this if then condition so that it doesn't glitches when it touches the mouse pointer. If the boy is not touching the mouse pointer, then it will point towards my mouse pointer, and when I click the mouse button, it will move 5 steps towards it. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, the Taylor follows my mouse pointer. Now I want the boy to start from here. So go to the motion category and drag the go to XY block here. And in the X value, I will set the value to 200. And in the Y value, I will set the value to 120. As you can see guys, the boy starts on the top right corner. Now let's create a program for the crab. So I will choose a new sprite from the scratch library and I will search here crab. Now the crab is too big, so let's shrink its size. So go to the events category and drag the one green flag lit block into the scripting area. Now go to looks category and drag the set size to block here and set the value to 50. Now I want the crab to start from the bottom left corner of the stage. So go to the motion category and drag the go to XY block here, and in the X value I will set the value to -200, and in the Y value I will set the value to -120. Now I will drag the forever loop here and drag and repeat until loop inside the forever loop. Now we will set the condition of the repeat until loop to touching Taylor. Now inside the repeat until loop, we will go to the motion category and drag and move steps block here and set the value here to 2.5. Now drag this point towards block inside the repeat until loop and set the option to Taylor. So when we click the green flag, it will set its size to 50% and then it will go to the bottom left corner of the stage. Then it will trigger this forever loop. The grab will move 2.5 steps towards the tailor until it touches tailor. Now when the grab touches the boy, I want the whole program to stop. So we will go to the tailor sprite and drag an if then else statement here and drag this whole part inside the if then. Now in the if then, I will set the condition to not touching grab. So this means this condition will only run when it is not touching the grab. If the boy touches the grab, the else condition will be activated. Now in the else condition, go to the looks category and drag the say block here and set the value here to 3 and it will say the text ouch. Now go to the control category and drag the stop all block here. Now guys, let's run our program. As you can see guys, the grab chases the boy named Taylor. And when the boy touches the grab, it says ouch and the whole program stops. But the grab is working in a weird way. So to fix that, we will go to the grab sprite and go to the costume tab. So this costume is pointing towards 0 degrees and we want it to point in 90 degrees. So I will select this whole grab and rotate it to 90 degrees. Now drag this grab in the center. Now guys, let's run our program. As you can see guys, the problem has been solved. So this was a simple program to make a chasing game. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Now I want to turn it over to you. Which looks block from today's video are you going to try first? Let me know by leaving a comment below. If you want to learn about basic code of motion category like how to point towards mouse and how to make a sprite glide and how to set the X position of the sprite and many more, then check out my video of Scratch Simple Easy Movements of Sprite. The link of this video is in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys and take care.